Making money from short videos on YouTube follows similar principles to monetizing any type of content on the platform. Here are some strategies to help you earn money from short videos. Ad revenue. If your videos meet YouTube's monetization criteria, such as having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months, you can enable ads on your videos. YouTube will display ads, and you'll earn a share of the revenue generated from those ads based on views and ad interactions. Sponsorships and brand deals. Even with a smaller audience, you can approach brands or companies for sponsored video opportunities. Affiliate marketing. Utilize affiliate links in your video descriptions to promote products or services. When viewers make a purchase through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. Super Chat and channel memberships. If you're eligible, you can enable Super Chat during live streams, allowing viewers to pay to have their messages highlighted. Additionally, you can offer channel memberships, where viewers pay a monthly fee to access exclusive badges, emojis, and other perks. Crowdfunding. Utilize platforms like Patreon or Ko-Fi to allow your viewers to support your content with voluntary donations. Merchandise. If you have a loyal fan base, consider selling merchandise related to your channel. This could include t-shirts, hats, stickers, or any other products that resonate with your audience. YouTube Shorts Fund. YouTube occasionally offers financial incentives to creators who produce popular short-form content through the YouTube Shorts Fund program. Cross-promotion. Promote your other longer-form videos, merchandise, or external projects within your short videos to encourage viewers to engage with your broader content and revenue streams. Leverage trends and viral content. Keep an eye on trending topics and create short videos around them to increase your chances of going viral. Viral videos tend to attract more views and can lead to increased opportunities for monetization. Remember, the key to success on YouTube is consistently creating high-quality, engaging, and relevant content. Focus on building a loyal audience and interacting with your viewers to keep them engaged. As your channel grows, so will your opportunities for monetization. Be patient and persistent, as it may take time to see significant revenue from short videos, especially if your channel is relatively new.